Let's see how to create a clip art in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now to create the clip art, you have to have a certain vision of whatever it is you're trying to create first. So for example, we want to create a house. And to do that, we can head over to the Insert tab, click on Shapes, since that will be the foundation for us to build our house as a clip art. Now go ahead and insert square, and then go ahead, change the fill color to black, rather white. Add your triangle, place it on top of the square, and change this outline. And let's add some doors. And then finally, we're going to add some windows. And let's group that together. And then just copy paste. Now let's go ahead and group together this entire thing as well. Click on group. And here you'll have the option to save it as a picture. Let's go ahead and save that one. And now you'll notice that we can insert that picture as a clip art whenever we want to. This is how you make your own clip art in Microsoft Word. See you soon!